it's not just an insult to the people that are born there. In a lot of ways, you're insulting the people who left because you're saying that they left and did not pass anything on.
Do you think second generation Caribbean kids, right? Jamaicans specifically,
Mm-hmm.
sometimes struggle with, not feeling Jamaican enough.
Yes. And so, because so me, I'm considered first generation
Yeah.
because I'm the first generation to be born here. So my kids would be
Mm.
second generation. And I
Okay.
do see that with them. Even first generation struggle. I think it is the immigrant experience to struggle. But I also think that I never really felt like I wasn't Jamaican enough until I felt like somebody else called it into question. Does that make
Mm.
sense? So I
It
never
does.
personally felt that way ever growing up because that was all I ever saw. All I ever saw was Jamaicans. All I ever ate was Jamaican food. All I ever listened to was Jamaican music. All I was, I was raised with the values. I still remember the first time I brought a friend around and my grandma came and said, my spirit can't take her. She had to go.